Well, it's got 2 bolts. That's the first one. And then the one that's hiding up here, which you're not going to get to see because I can't even see it. I'm going to need a jack. I'll be back. And those guys, there it is. This one has its head on the inside, going toward the engine. And it is rounded off. So I bought some thingies for that. I'm going to try to put those on here. And this is tight. These wheels chocks came from Amazon. Had this red one here. And a different flavor on this side. They're both around $5 each. Now whether that's enough space to keep that car from rolling back, I have no idea. I usually stick a tree log underneath here, because I know they can't roll over that tree log. There's my favorite wheel chock. It's a log, it's even got a handle on it for carrying it around and placing it places. Both of these are rounded off. It's this one here. And this one right up here. I'm going to see if I can get to them, get them out of here. Just grabbed it the first time, probably the second time. They're supposed to cut into there and get off these bolts that are rounded off, but it's not going to do it this time. I think my only plan left is to bring out the welder and put on some nuts and see if I can weld some nuts on so I can have something real to grab onto and take them off that way. It's a fail. Didn't get the bolts off the starter, didn't get the new starter on. If I had money, I'd take it to a shop and ask them to replace the starter. But I'm going to go learn how to use my welder again. I don't think it's going to happen this week because it's going to snow soon. And shouldn't drive these kind of cars in the snow anyway. Or work on them when it's outside and freezing. I think a high is going to be in the 30s in a couple, like Monday or Tuesday. It's going to get cold. We've been missing the snow. We didn't do nothing to replace the starter. Well, we tried. But that's just not good enough. So we're going to see if it makes that awful noise. And yeah, it's the awful noise. A long time ago, I worked for the city. They had all these Dodge trucks. And this is the way they gave us the work trucks to go out and do stuff with. And you would have to sit there and do this until the starter kicked over. I actually thought it was going to start. I brought it out here to show you it would start. It was running yesterday. Alright. One of the things it did yesterday was when it started to spin, because the starter was kicking in for me, turns out it was out of gas. Is that the gas gauge? Alright, I'm bored. And what I need to do is replace the starter. Ooh, that sounded closer, didn't it?